Tingnan natin. Ammunition chest, 200 rounds. 200 rounds. Caliber 50, 200 rounds. M2. Ito yung mga lumang owner. Yan. Ito yung C-18. Yan. Ito naman yung military police. Ito yung mga cowboy. So, yung mga cowboy ng New Zealand.
Those ships captains and officers used to have these on the sailing ships. Okay. Royal Navy was especially famous for you go out with your friends to the pub and have a few drinks, fall asleep, wake up on board ship, miles out at sea. Of course, most of the guys weren't too happy with this because they had wives and families to go back to. So if you started a mutiny or something like that, you didn't like the captain, you'd all be up on the deck going, "Oh, we're going to have a go at you," and he'd pull this out and point at the crowd. Now, it may not be the guy that instigated the mutiny that it hits, but it would certainly stop his mates and make them think about having a go at the captain. And that's why 4 bullets at once.
Okay, thank you so much.
It increases the odds.
Thank you.
No worries.
Slow to reload, though.
You only have to fire at once. I just remember the movie, what was it, Snatch, and
Portable
Vinny
Magnum.
sitting there in the pub with his